So just because a gutter or downspout is going into mulch, don't think it's safe, because we redirected it, and all the stuff that ran off the driveway into the mulch literally dyed the mulch. Took all the color of the mulch. I did not think that would happen.
Like every 10 minutes.
I want to know why it's doing that.
What's up, everybody? It's yours truly,
Mr. Lang,
Team Marsh Life. We're out of getting there.
so this job, we've done gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, house washing, and oxidation removal on the gutters, if there is any. Packaged it all together as a nice little deal. A lot of lichen on this roof, which I can't stand. It ends up looking really bad. But, you know, we apply the chem, and the rest is history. Downstreaming the house wash with the 4 gallon a minute. Devin coming up shortly behind and rinsing it off. Colt's finishing up the roof, so the whole lower story's done. This whole backside's done. And he's around here somewhere. Oh yeah, getting behind them gutters, eh? Oh yeah. Busted out the 32 foot. Getting the roof cleaned up on this side. We just got the front of the second story. This roof pump's holding on for dear life. Hey Colt, try to save the 2-story, that nozzle for like hitting the top, and let the runoff drip down, and then switch to a fan, because you're spraying so close to the edge. There's so much overspray spraying off the edge, and then also a bunch of chem going in the gutters. You know what I mean? Yeah. It looks like you didn't get the peak all the way. Okay.
I'll try to get you a wet call. What?
Appreciate it, Devin. So, sorry, I probably wasn't even aiming at anything for a minute there. So yeah, we're still working on our roof cleaning technique. Hey, before you came around this side of the chimney, were you able to get the other side of the chimney, Colt? Okay. Cool. You want to saturate them plants too? I don't know if you already have or not. Alright. There, that's what I wanted to see. There wasn't much surfactant. It didn't look like it got hit very good. Now it looks a lot better. Oh, the water fell out of the 4 gallon a minute. I have to get a bulkhead fitting for this 4 gallon a minute tank. We have to keep our... Sometimes the hose randomly pops out. not going nowhere now.
On this roof.
Which kind of sucks, because like once you clean it, I didn't really notice it too much before I clean it. Once you clean it, it's all these nasty white clumps, you know. So, but it all will come off, you know. After a good rain or two, that stuff will just weather away. So it's like you kind of gotta. It's one of those you gotta like kind of express that in your estimates or your education part, you know. Let them know, like, listen, we're gonna clean the roof. It's a treatment though. We gotta apply it, and we gotta let Mother Nature do its thing. You know, we come back out and touch anything up that needs touching up, but yeah. We're producing, yo. Like, we're getting our gutter cleaning, roof cleaning, house wash, all this stuff done in like 4 hours. 3 hours, 4 hours. Hell yeah. It's a good sized house too.